Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
Isaacs through tears said, "How could you do this to me? Like, he wronged her so much in life." Excuse me, lady, did you forget the part where you cheated on OP with 8 guys when he was deployed in the Navy? Everything aside, a lot of people in the comments did not like how OP used his children as pawns in his plan for revenge. So, there were a few points that were brought up about when she neglected them for years prior that he chose not to do anything. But it wasn't until they came into his workplace and embarrassed him in front of everybody that's when he decided to take things more seriously. What do you guys think? So, a couple years back, I bought my wife flowers for Valentine's Day from a national florist that had shops throughout the country. We'll call the big company NF for National Florist, and local florist will be LF. So, the flowers get delivered and they look like complete garbage. The arrangement was smaller than advertised, and the flowers were a few days from fresh and wilting. Now, in my opinion, it's Valentine's Day, the one day a year that a florist needs to be on point. So I called the local florist to complain. I wanted either a replacement arrangement or a refund so I could go elsewhere to get decent looking flowers for my wife. When I called to complain, the person who answered the phone was very rude right from the start. I have to assume it was a crazy busy day for her, and my arrangement wasn't the only one that had issues. The woman became very defensive, as if the flowers were a part of her soul and I was personally attacking it. I asked to speak to the manager, and she replies, "I'm the owner." We continued to argue for the next couple of minutes when I threatened to stop payment on my credit card. She said, "All right, I'm going to refund you the money, but you'll never be allowed to step in my store again." And then she hung up on me. So I spent the next few hours on the phone with national florists, bouncing all over the country from call center to call center, moving one rung up the ladder of their corporate structure at a time, until I get about 4 steps from the top. Someone gives me a boost. I got the actual number of the CEO of National Florist. I spent 20 minutes on hold after speaking to the secretary and briefly explaining my situation. I tell the CEO what happens, and he couldn't have been nicer. I told him that I had ordered from different national florist stores from many different states in the past, and was generally satisfied, and I felt like local florist in no way represents the national florist brand, and they should lose their affiliation. He did not immediately respond to that request, but he said he would investigate the situation, and in the meantime send me flowers from a different florist locally within the National Florist brand. I received those flowers within 2 hours, and they looked amazing, better than I could have asked for. About 2 weeks later, I received a letter in the mail, and the letter apologized profusely and thanked me for bringing this to their attention. Apparently they keep tapes of the calls made to the florist, and they reviewed the tapes and agreed that local florist did not represent how National Florist wants to treat its customers, and local florist will no longer be a part of the National Florist brand. He gave me a $250 gift card to any NF store. Within 2 years, LF closed because it could not compete against the National Florist brand. So yeah, I guess I'll never set foot in that store again. And that, my friends, brings us to another end of r/pro revenge. Guys, if you missed the last episode of r/pro revenge, OP tells a story where he's in the foster care system and encounters a horrific woman. Check it out if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you.
Hey there, Mr. Reddit here. Welcome back to another episode of r/entitled Parent Stories. Our first story we'll be reading today. Karen followed me at an airport because she thought I was a lost kid.